On the banks of the river, where the willows hang down, and the wild birds they warble with a low moaning sound. Way up in the hollow, where the waters run cold, it is there that I listened to the lies that you told. For the nights are so long, and my sorrow runs deep, and I whisper at shadows as I struggle to sleep, and I walk out alone, and I talk to the sky, too lonesome to sing, too empty to cry. If you ladies were blackbirds, if you ladies were a thrush, then I'd lie there for hours in the chilly cold marsh. If you ladies were squirrels with bushy high tails, then I'd fill up my shotgun with rocks, old and nails. Yeah, fill up my shotgun with rocks, old and nails.